What's up, realists? Welcome to another episode here on The Real Fishing. Thank you guys, as always, for dropping in. Today, we are out here and it's windy at a super awesome spot. We're gonna be trying to use some Nightcrawler nuggets for a little bit to see if they're biting. And then we are going to switch over to some plastics. I wanna try to see if I can catch some bluegill and stuff on some soft plastics and small jigs. So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna get on the reel. Let's go see if we can catch some fish. Alrighty, I already got our first one here. A Nightcrawler nugget. The water is super low out here today, and so there we go. We got our first one. So let's see if we can go back out where we just went. The water's a lot lower than normally. This little tree here is usually completely submerged, and of course it's super windy, so using all the weights. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, I just hit my other pole, but chucked it into the water. That's one way to reduce your cast distance. You can go back out where we were. I'm finding them as consistently as I was like, but hopefully they'll figure out where they are sooner than later. Oh wow, I threw it way over yonder. Figured that wind would carry it a good bit. Got about 10 to 12 mile-per-hour winds today. And so as you can see out there in the deeper water, got a lot of white caps going on. There we go, found one. Come here, where you at? Oh, I think it might be a shellcracker or a bluegill. Can't tell what it is yet. It is a bluegill, another bluegill. Awesome. Right to the top of the nose. Showing a little bit if it'll let me. There you go. A little bitty guy. Alright, friend. On. Alright, so they were out there further than I thought they'd be. So I mean, that's par for the course. The water is down. So. Oh! I did do it that time. Look at that. And I lost my nugget. About chucked it out in the water. And we are re-nuggeted back up. I'm gonna go back out yonder again if I can and not hook my pole. Alright, so I'll move further to the right this time again. So we got 2 fish so far. Pretty confident in this spot. This is such a good spot. Well, hello, birdie. Little bird just flew right there in front of me. But most of my bites are coming out yonder, so I'm gonna try to get back out that way again. There we go. See what happens. First bite came pretty quick from that spot, so but they might not be there anymore. Never know. Where are you hiding, fishes? Where are the fishes hiding today? Gotta find out, so we'll throw that way. Caught 2, and we got 1 more to have a nice solid video. Back over here, other side of the tree. There we go. I thought my bobber was gone. Where are they at? What we got? Ooh. Another bluegill. Getting bigger now though. Getting bigger. I barely got this guy hooked. Let's see a decent one here. Drop that down. There we go. Little guy. Just over 7. Right, I'm gonna get him in the water now. He just fell between the logs here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, so that gets us 3. We'll go back over there again, see if they've moved over there. Or if nothing else, try to catch another one over there before they move again. It's so weird because like most of the catches I've gotten have come from when I changed where I was casting. So let's try over this way some. Go look over this spot. Oh, there we go. I don't know if I set the hook good enough or not. I was checking the camera. There we go. I think I got this one in this time. Not a big boy. Nothing huge. There's another bluegill for sure. We got some free meals off of that though too. So, there we go. Nothing crazy. Sorry about my dirty thumb. But it is what it is when you're using worms and live bait. Reloaded with the Nightcrawler. I'm getting the head blown off here from behind. Oh, well, goodness gracious. I'll try one last spot over here. Then we're going to start moving. I just want to catch one more over here, goodness. So I can go right along this log. There we go. Almost where I wanted. There we go. We got our one more. Took a minute. Yeah, there we go. Come here, little fella. Oof. He did not mean to eat today. Alright, well, that was not a good way to hook a fish, but the fish hook nonetheless. Alright. Let's show him off or not. There he goes. Little bitty guy. Alright, we're going to move around and try to get onto another little spot here, another tree, and then we'll move around to where the wind's in our face. So, see you at the next spots. Alright, take a couple casts right here. If I can. And then we'll move over there and see what's up. Uh-oh. You got one barely. I was not expecting to catch anything. I was honestly just about to hang it up and move on to a new spot for the day. We got one more. Makes me wonder if they're shallower over here than they are other spots. So there we go. Nice little purple one there over here. I'll go back out there. All right, realists, that's going to be it for the day for this spot. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's just a little too windy today to really keep beating. It's kind of knocking me over every now and then. But hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And I'm trying to get my hat to knock off with the wind, but it's not working. You guys have a great day, and hopefully you can get on the reel real soon. It is way too windy. Like I said, I faked that. Is that in the water? Hey, no, it went up there. I want to do it again though. That was fun.